Motivation. What inspires you? What is your North Star? What is that thing that keeps you motivated no matter what happens? You see, sometimes when you get a little distracted, you get a little sad, and you get a little unmotivated, you need to be reminded of what keeps you going. What is that thing that makes you get up and say, I got to do this today? And I want to share something personal so that you see what keeps me going. I want to share this with you here. You see, this is a framed birthday card from my mother. I love it. And I keep it right in front of my desk. That's why it was easy for me to access. And the reason I keep it there is because my mother's my motivation because I want to do her proud. And I framed that letter and I keep it there because that was the last note she wrote me before she became sick. And I miss my mother every single day because she was a wonderful, wonderful woman and the best mother in the world. And before Alzheimer's got to a point where she could no longer communicate, she had wrote that note. I never knew she wrote that note. See, one day when I came to visit her, when she was in the hospital, and she was far past remembering anything or even be able to communicate, I went to see her on my 50th birthday. Because even though my mother was not the person she was, I still wanted to be next to her on my birthday. And when I went to her house, I was cleaning out her stuff, getting her stuff organized as we're getting ready for the next stage, which is a sad one, obviously. And we're going through some papers, and this was on my birthday. I found this birthday note that she had made, I don't know when, maybe the year before, maybe 2 years before, but obviously she forgot to give it to me. Most likely because the Alzheimer's was in its beginning stages and she was forgetting things. So she wrote me this birthday note, and in this weird luck, whatever you guys want to call it, coincidence, serendipity, on my birthday, when I went to visit her, I found that note. So there lies the last note my mother ever wrote me. And I cherish it, and I keep it. And now it's my North Star. Maybe you guys have something similar. We all have people that inspire us, whether they're with us or whether they're not. And my mother inspires me to be the person that she could be proud of. So I always want to live up to her standards and live up to everything she taught me because I love her and I miss her so much every single day. And by having this here, this reminds me to keep pushing, keep working, keep doing right by people, keep treating people with respect, keep doing the things I never do, and never veer off, and always ask myself when I do something, is this something I can tell my mother about? So when I want to do something off, or I want to do something that's not right, or something a little sketchy, or something I know in the back of my head shouldn't be doing it, I ask myself, after you do this, would you tell your mother about it? And if I can't tell my mother what I did, I know I shouldn't be doing it. And if I'm excited to tell my mother about what I did, then it's full go ahead. So although she's not with me anymore and I can't communicate these things, I have this note here and it reminds me every day to live up to that standard and achieve my goals while treating everybody with respect and kindness, which at the end of the day was the most important thing to her of all.